Dear students, so far we have discussed about all the properties of determinants. Before solving problems using properties, once again we revise all the properties. So the number one, if the rows and columns are interchanged, the value of the determinant is not altered. And second, the determinant changes its sign if any two rows or two columns are interchanged. Any two rows are identical, the value of the determinant is 0. Next property is, any one side of the principal diagonal elements are all zeros, then the value of the determinant can be obtained by multiplying the principal diagonal elements. And the next property says that in any determinant, if there is a common factor in any row or column, the common factor can be taken outside of the determinant. And the next property in the determinant is, every element in a row or column is expressed as sum of two or more determinants, then the whole determinant can be expressed as sum of two or more determinants. And next property is, if every element of a row or each element of row is or column is completely zeros, then the value of the determinant is 0. That is, here if you take any determinant, complete any one row, full elements are zeros, then the value of the determinant is 0, that we are aware. And next, in any determinant, every element of any row or column is multiplied by the same constant, and the same is added or subtracted to corresponding elements of any other row or column, even though the value of the determinant remains same. So before going to start, first in this session, next 2-3 sessions I'll be covering previous year question papers from 2014 to 2020 March. So each question carries 4 marks. Usually determinant comes in matching question for part E, that is 10 marks, 6 plus 4, in which the 4 marks question will be this. So without wasting time, I'll directly come for the solving the problems. See the first question here. Prove that minus a square AB AC AB minus b square BC CA CB minus c square is equal to 4a square b square c square. So LHS I have taken. My dear students, you see that here in R1, here look at, in R1, in each and every element, A is common factor. I have taken A common factor, therefore it will become minus A, B and C. In second row here, I think B is common factor, each and every element. In the entire second row, B is common factor. I have taken here B common factor, that is A minus B and C here in the second row. Next, In the third row, I am marking it as black color. I think C is common factor. So I have taken here, look here, here I have taken C common factor. Therefore, third C common factor means it will become A, B, minus. Now, so this is the determinant now we got. So now this will be considered as our original determinant now. This is our transformed determinant. Again, look at it. Again in this transformed, this is the present, now this is gone. Now we take this is the reference for us. And this will be our original determinant. In that, look at my dear students, in this column, where I am drawing with a black color, complete column, A is common factor. Here already we have taken this is common factor. A is common factor from C1. So I have written here minus 1, 1, 1, 1 here. And in the second column, B is common factor. Here, column 2, B is common factor. So 1, 1, 1. And third, in the third row, third column, C is common factor. So column means you have to write your handwriting like this. You have to go like this. So 1, 1, 1. That means LHS is equal to ABC into ABC. It will become A square, B square, C square. Now, what I'll do now? Look at it. So now, this is our original body now. This is also gone. So this is our original body. So on this body, I'm doing some operation. Sure, definitely in the previous lecture itself, I've clearly told there must be minimum one row or one column must be unchanged before operation, after operation. This is before operation body it is. This is before operation body. This is after operation body. So before operation body, after operation body, there must be minimum one row or one column should be unchanged in both the bodies. That's what operation I'm doing it is. Look at, I have decided to add C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2. Why? Why I'm adding C1 plus C2 means one element will become 0. If element started become 0, the determinant will become, finding the value of the determinant become very easy for us. Okay, C1 plus C2. After that, C2 plus C3. C2 plus C3. So then what will happen? You see that. Okay, C1 plus C2 means C2 plus C3. First, this is the original, that is before operating body. So original body. I am going to perform some operation on this body. Definitely there will be some change, deformity in the body, but there must be some unchange. First, I'll tell you how to find unchange. First, how many columns are there? You put your question. C1, 3 columns are there. C2, C3. First, beginners, you learn like this. First letter, what is visible? C1. Cancel this. Here, in the side, there are 2 surgeries I am doing on this body. First surgery only C1. Second surgery C2. That means C2 also cancel. Then what is left? What is remaining? C3. So this will be unchanged. This will be unchanged. That is C3 will be unchanged. For this is 1, 1, 1, minus 1. So here I have written C. This is unchanged. So before operation body, after operation body, there must be minimum one row or one column should be unchanged. Now I'll start the surgery. Okay. C1 plus C2. See, my dear student, whenever column means your handwriting should go like this. So here C1 plus C2. Now what I'm going to do now? C1 plus C2. What is C1 plus C2 now? Look here. Yeah. C1 plus C2. That like this. C1 plus C2. Result should be written in C1 only. That is minus 1 plus 1. 0. I have written this. Next here. C1 plus C2. 1 minus 1, again 0. Answer should be written in G1. Yes, C1 plus C2, that is 2. Here, finished. First surgery answer is 1. Next, what is second surgery? That's the one. Now can you see that new C1 is being formed? That's what some authors, they write like this. New C1. C1 dash means new C1 after surgery. New C1 formed by taking so new C1 is formed by taking C1 plus C2. Okay. Now look at here. So in this case, yeah. Yeah. So that is new C1 is being formed. Next, C2 plus C3. After that, here you see that here C2 plus C3 again. Once again, I'll clear this place for you, and you'll come to know this. Here, see that this is the one. Again, here I'll show you now. So this is the what here. What is happening here? Look here, my dear students. C1 plus C2. Okay. So here, this is one. Now here once again, this is the world in this body. Here in this body we are applying. In this body we are doing surgery. That will be the after surgery. This will be the new body. C2 plus C3. After C2 plus C3 means like this. See that in the black color I am showing it. C2 plus C3 means result will be entered in C2. Yes, 1 plus 1, 2. Here you see that minus 1 plus 1, 0, and 1 plus of minus 1, 0. See, total out of I think 8 elements, 9 elements, we have 4 elements are zeros. So that means, see, C2 plus C3, after that we are finding a new C1 here. In the after that, here look at here. Here we are finding new C1. That means some authors will write like this: new C2. C2 dash means a new C2 will be formed by taking C2 plus C3. Now here, look here. Now this is the changes. Now what has happened here? In this case, now this is the new after operation. This is the body has been formed after operation. Yes, after surgery. After surgery, it is this is minus 1 only. Okay. So after surgery, this is the body minus 1. Now finished. I'm expanding along C1. Therefore, common A square B square. C1 means plus minus plus 2 into horizontal get cancelled 2 minus 0. Therefore, 2 minus 0 is 2. Therefore, the answer is 4A square B square C square. 4A square B square C square. So this is the one where we need to identify So this one now you can see this question. So this is the one question now. Yes, sir. Thank you, dear students.